So, welcome in Science Hunt. We have already made the circuit in our previous session, and today we are going to write the program for it. So, I'll share the screen. Yes. So, you can see the Arduino board here. Here our circuit is there, and here our program setup is there. So first of all, we'll see how to download the Arduino. On your any search engine, I have opened Google Chrome there. On Google Chrome, we will write arduino.cc. This is the Arduino's official website. You can see this and you'll go to software. In the software, you'll see this page. Now, whatever your name will be, you can take it. Mine is Windows, so uh, and it is Windows 10, so I will click here Windows 7 and newer. So click here if it is your Windows. Then once the download is over, after installing, you should agree all the terms and conditions, and then it will install. And once it gets installed, then you'll see the Arduino on your desktop. So open that Arduino and it will open up like this way. So now, first of all, you will not see here bare minimum. You will see here sketch and the date. So to open a bare minimum, go to files, then examples, then basics, and then bare minimum. So why to choose bare minimum? Because bare minimum contains all your program which for the basic you will be needing today. So let's start with our program. So we will start by defining the pins on which the LEDs are connected. So for that, hash define then red 13 because our red LED is connected to pin number 13. Then hash define again, and for this time it will be white LED and for pin number 10. Then again hash define, then green LED, it will be 8, pin number 8. So this we have done. Now coming to void setup. First of all, when you open the Arduino IDE software, you will see void loop and void setup. In the void setup, the whatever you program write, that will run only once, and it is to set up your Arduino board. And in the void loop, as the name suggests, here the code will run repeatedly. This is the difference between void setup and the void loop. Now in the void setup, we will write pinMode to recognize the pin. Arduino should recognize the pin, or the software should recognize the pin on which your LEDs are put. So pinMode is the command. Here I have put the M capital. If I put the M small, the Arduino is not recognizing the command. So we should put the M capital, and then it gives a happy little orange color, and that means the Arduino has recognized our command. So we'll write um, a open bracket Then as we have defined here the pins, if you wouldn't have defined these pins, then you can directly write here 13 and output. But we have defined the pins as red is equal to 13, so we can write here red. Okay, so why output? Because a LED is an output. If you use a potentiometer, then only you can use input, and for any other different devices. But for LED, it is output. Then we complete the bracket and we give a semicolon. Then again pin mode, follow the commands for all of the LEDs. We have 3 LEDs, white, out, oh, output. Yes. And again, pin mode, green, output. Here you will see that output is all the letters in the output are in capital form. Don't write any of the letter in small form. It will not give you the happy little blue color. So there is a blue color. Now everything is over. So void setup is done. Now coming to void loop. So in the void loop, we will today start with digital pins. So on our Arduino, we can see many things. So on our Arduino, wait, I'll show you here. Yeah. So on our Arduino, there are digital pins and analog pins. In the previous session, I have shown you them. So we will be using the digital pin. For the digital pin, we have to use digitalWrite as the command. It gives you an orange color and you will write red. For the red LED, you will write first red. And then in the Arduino software, you know that binary numbers 1 0. So here 1 means high and 0 means low. So here high means on and low means off. Okay, so we'll not write here on, but we'll write here high. Arduino understands this command, high. So we'll write a semicolon, then again a digital write, and then white, white, and then high, and again a semicolon. So after that, we will come to our second command, that is delay. This is a new command for you. It is a delay command. So in delay, you can write any milliseconds. I will write 1000 milliseconds and a semicolon. But if you think later that, oh, 1000 is a very big time, so I had to write 100. So you will change each and every command of delay. Here we have only one command in this code, but if you have a long code, then you would have to change each and every number there. So here comes the concept of variables in the Arduino. We will write, so there are various types of variables. For the integers, we write int. For the decimals, we write float. And for a name, we write string. We will see the float and string in our later sessions. First, we'll focus on int. So the delay is a time, and that time is a integer. So we'll write int wait, wait t. Okay, wait t, t for time. is equal to 1000. Yes, and then a semicolon. We will see here that for defines we don't need a semicolon, but for defining variables using the int command we need a semicolon. So now we have already defined the wait time them of 1000. So here in delay we'll write waitT. So now what this variable helps us, if you want that 1000 is great, so as I told before, you want to make it 100. So you will not type here 100. You will just change only one zero here, and whole code wherever the waitT is used there will be 100. So I don't want here 100 and I want a delay of 1000 milliseconds. So our delay is complete. Now again we'll write a different command. Okay, so here completes our half of the code, and there we'll write delay wait, oh sorry, wait t. Okay, so this is our variable, and don't forget to put a semicolon. Okay, so now our half of the code is complete. Now we will put our all our code by Control C, Control V. So select this, the above two lines, Control C, and after this last delay command, put the Control V. Then after that, select the delay, Control C, and put there delay 4 times. We need it 4 times. So this delay wait T will be for these two commands. After the first delay, put a enter and there write digital write green low. So this is done of green. Then copy this green, Control C, and for the second delay wait T, put a Control V. Now this green, change it to white. Now go there, this delay wait T will be for white, and then press a enter and then Control V. So here is again green, change this green to red. Okay, so this delay wait T will be for this command, and now our code is complete. So for uploading the code, click here and you will get this happy little green bar, and your Arduino will be getting your code. So you can see here they are blinking. So the green LED blinks and all are off. Now red and white LED glow, then green glows, then green off, then white, and then red off. So here you can see that red and white LED are glowing together because we have not written any delay between them, any delay. But we can see that there is a delay between the red low and the green low and the white low. So you can see here that it's happening. Okay, so our code is totally correct. And if you feel that the Arduino something is not correct, then please check your code again. I think there will be the script error, not the logic error. Because here you can see if there will be a no semicolon. If you can see here, there is a no semicolon. I have deleted the semicolon. And then if you upload your code, and then the happy little green bar will come, but then oh no, there is a something wrong. So there it comes, expected a semicolon before delay. So before delay there should be a semicolon. So here is a red bar there, and before this delay there should be a semicolon, and you will get that. So read this and then you will come to know. Okay, so this is done, and once you put your semicolon again, don't upload directly. You first verify your code by selecting on this tick sign. Then once you verify, yes, so done compiling, you will get this message and there will be no error. And then you upload, then it will, green bar will show here, and then it will start uploading. So our program is done, and our LEDs are also working really fine. So for the next time we will do a more complicated program. Okay, so see you next time. Thanks for watching.